Hi guys, to receive this really nice Fandelier for reviewing purposes. It comes with the installation manual, and well, let's take it out of the box. Here is the main unit. As you can see, it comes really well protected, and it's really beautiful. It has this farmhouse design, which I think it's really nice. And it comes with all the pieces you need to install them, all the screws. And here we got the controller and more accessories to use it. Okay, it's a 6-speed and reversible fan, which I think it's really nice, and you can turn off the lights independently and control it to leave it on for 1 hour to up to 4 hours. Okay, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now it's already installed. I think it looks really nice. As you can see, we can control it with the remote, and it's really nice. This is a 6-speed and it feels perfect for, well, summer. And it doesn't make that much sound. Okay, when it's working, it doesn't make like the motor doesn't make that much sound, which I think it's really nice. As I've said, you can control it just with the press of one button. Now it's forward. Let's reverse it. I'm gonna turn off the lights on. As you can see, when we reverse it, it's slowed down and it starts going the other way. Okay, which I think it's a really nice option to use it both in summer and winter. And overall, it's a great ceiling fan. It's really beautiful. It was really easy to install it, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.